I'm Shay Russell from mining.com.au, and joining me today is Jonathon Trewartha, the CEO of Lincoln Minerals. Jonathon, it's fabulous to see you again. How are you?
Great to see you, Shay. Very good, thanks.
Now, thank you for taking the time to come on to talk about your base metals project, the Minbrie project out in the Gawler. Mate, I was going through the presentation released to the market on the 8th of July. How have we been sleeping on this type of project? This seems really exciting.
Yeah, it is. Oh, it's an exciting project, and the sleeping bit is because when it was first drilled in 2011, the company Centrex was drilling for magnetite, so they weren't even focused on it. And there is only this one hole, and there are hundreds of holes in the drilling, but it's all above in the BIF. So there was this one hole. Lincoln did have the rights to everything that was not iron. Copper was in 2011-12, if you remember, was going down, and graphite was hot, and we got our Kookaburra Gully, and they were focused on getting that into production, and then so they had a look, and then that's why it was left.
Well, copper is now one of the hottest commodities, and I believe this project also has Lincoln Z. Do you have any sort of numbers on hand that you can point to show the potential that you might find at depth here?
Yep. So we're at about 150 metres deep, which is not deep, easily open cuttable. The intersection is 28.5 metres at 0.8% copper, 8% lead, 2% zinc, and some silver. So that is a great discovery hole. Normally, in your discovery holes, you've got 0.5s or 0.2s. This is a great hole.
I wouldn't mind just sticking with this point, though, for the moment, is the discovery's already been made. You already know how mineralized it is, but essentially what you're looking for is just how valuable that mineralization could be. Isn't that the case?
Yeah, that's correct. We've got our discovery hole. It's an economic intersection, and now we're proving up this strong mineralization. We've got 7 Ks because of all the drilling that was done by Centrex. We've got 7 Ks, and there's mineralization zones throughout. So we're now focused on the 192. There are drill holes that have punched through the footwall and above the soil body, but they're only just at the end of the holes. They're starting to get into mineralization, and we believe that that's not. They're just entering the target zone, and the geology in those holes is zoning into where we expect it, and we are picking. We've got some assays back just recently that show that it's at least 2 Ks and more. So in the right place.
Now, you've just released the drill targets to the market. Tell me, what can investors look forward to hearing from Lincoln Minerals just to see how this Minbrie project is progressing?
So we're lodging our peppers in the next week. So that's approval to drill. So that's going to take 1 to 2 months. It's on farmland. We're not expecting any delays for that. There is a second target area, which in the next 2-3 weeks will come out, which is in where 2 large shear zones intersect. And then there'll be selection of driller and execution to drill.
Listen, Jonathon, I love the Gawler. I don't think we've seen all of the riches that it holds yet. So I'm very interested to see what happens with this Minbrie project. Thank you so much for being here today, and I look forward to future updates.
Thanks, Shay. Pleasure talking to you.